Hi everyone, welcome back to One Touch BI. My name is Saravanan Vajravel. Today's topic is the error code BMT-IMP-0002 followed by CAF warning 2082 and the DPR error 2072. When you are assigned to work on Framework Manager metadata modeling tool and if you encounter this error message, don't get panic. The answer is very simple. Let's look into the answer by reproducing the error message and see the resolution. Okay, let's head over to my system to see them practically. Open IBM Cognos connection, go to Manage, click on Administration Console, click on the Configuration tab, click on Data Source Connection, and in the middle pane, click on the Audit Database. Test the Audit Database connection. I have intentionally provided the wrong host IP address. It does not exist. In that case, it should fail. So let's confirm that whether it fails or not. As you see, the data source connection is failed with the error message, unable to log on to the data source. The reason it got failed is the dispatcher is trying to reach to this host IP address. It does not exist. And second, the logon is getting failed. Okay, close that. And in the meantime, I show you the other working data source connection, stack. Click on the stack, go to the actions, test the connection. Here if you see, all my data source connection configuration is correct. When I click on test, it succeeds. Ignore the OCI connection because we are not using that. We are using only the JDBC dynamic connection. As this is succeeded, so now you know that audit is failing and the stack connection is succeeded. What we do now, let's open the framework manager to confirm whether we are able to reproduce the error when you try to import the tables from the audit DB, and when you are removing the audit DB and connecting with the stack connection, you are able to succeed or not. Okay, let's open the framework manager. You can open either the existing project or the new project. Let me open the existing project. Right click on model, run metadata wizard, choose the data sources and click next. I know that audit is configured wrong. I will go with audit, click next. You should get the error message what I shown in the first slide. Now you got the error message. This confirms that your data source configuration is not correct and you're getting the error message. I'll just quickly interpret the error. BMT-IMP denotes you're working on the framework manager and you're trying to test or import any database tables. DPR error is nothing but your dispatcher which actually communicates your framework manager request and to the source database. And in the source database, when you're trying to authenticate with the provided database configuration details, it is not able to authenticate. That's why you're getting the CAF warning message. In simple, any authentication you try to do with any object, the CAF warning error will come. These error numbers are very unique and that will differ. We can ignore that. At the high level, we know what for the error is coming. So now we know that the error is coming because your audit database is not configured properly. Click OK. But I shown in the previous screen, the stack connection was successful. Choose the stack connection, click next. Now you are able to proceed to the next screen and your database is connected. Let's import one of the table from the audit DB, expand the tables, select one of the table and click next. Don't check anything with use primary or foreign key. Let's do manually. Click import. This might take few seconds. Yes, it's imported successfully. Click on finish to confirm. Expand the stack and see that the table which you imported was exist or not. It exists. With that, I'm going to end the session. If anyone is not subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel right at the bottom of the screen. Until I come back with another video, this is Saravanan Vajravel signing off from OneTouch BI. Have a good day.